Imagine turning every room tour into a personal, immersive experience, available anytime. With Rendora's 3D avatars, your hotel makes a lasting impression before guests even arrive. Hi there, welcome to Skyline Hotel. We're so glad to have you with us. In this quick tour, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of your stay. Let's start with where you'll be staying. Our standard room is cozy and comfortable, with a king bed, work desk, TV, and private bathroom, perfect for solo travelers or couples. Looking for more space? Try our deluxe suite. It has a separate lounge area, extra comforts like a mini fridge, and even complimentary snacks. Great for a little extra relaxation. Here's a quick side-by-side to help you choose. Both rooms have a king-size bed, but the suite offers more space and lounge access. You'll also find upgraded amenities in the suite, like robes and a mini fridge. Of course, it comes at a higher price, but totally worth it for the extra comfort. Feeling hungry? We've got you covered. Start your day at the Horizon Restaurant, a mix of local and international dishes, with buffet breakfast and a la carte options later on. For something more relaxed, head to the Skyline Bar and Lounge for cocktails, light bites, and a gorgeous view. And if you prefer staying in, room service is available 24/7, just a call away. Now that you know where to sleep and where to eat, let's look at what else you can enjoy during your stay. We offer a spa for relaxation, a full gym to stay active, and an outdoor pool for a refreshing dip. There's also a business center for your work needs, and event spaces for meetings or celebrations. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of Skyline Hotel. If you need anything at all during your stay, just let our team know. Enjoy your time with us. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.